Mahana Bhavatu, my tribe. So here I am with my next zodiac sign, that is Virgo. What we have for Virgo in the month of Feb 2025. So let me first see the state of mind. Absolutely wonderful. Walking very slow, very grounded, but for sure. Okay. Here they are really ready to see what they want in life. But here right now, workspace, I feel that there are a lot of things you still are not acknowledging. Okay, and you want a lot of stability, as well as you want the universe and people to be fair to you. You feel people not being fair to you. Okay, so let's see in the first week, second week, third week, and the fourth week. So first week of Feb, money, like I said, is coming in slow but sure. You are having something that you can actually say that I have a bank balance. You're investing also in a lot of, probably in shares, or probably in some kind of more business, or maybe you're starting a new business with this money that you have got. Second week is all about being on guard. In the past, a lot of things that have happened in your life, you felt that you were not careful about people around you. You were not careful, you gave too much to too many people, or maybe you shared a lot of information in the past to many people, but now you have probably learned your lesson, and now you're very careful, very much on guard. And if you're not, let me tell you, Virgo, start being on guard. If you really want things to improve, if you want to actually um, take care of your energy, you really have to be careful, especially with someone I feel who's in a very big position around you, bigger position than you and elder to you also. This could be an elder brother, it could be a boss, it could be father, or somebody who's elder to you and in a powerful position. So in the past, probably you were not very careful about this person, and this person in turn harmed your work. So now you are being very careful in the month of Feb around this your work area. Okay, third week is coming with something really nice, really something new, some blessing in your life. This blessing is coming in the form of stability and money. Okay, fourth week is about travel, is about something changing. So probably there is a wheel. On the wheel, you were maybe on the sides or low, and now the wheel has turned and changed, and now you've come up, or probably you're in the process of coming up. So yes, it is a good time for you. When wheel is changing, I also feel some of you will get into some kind of business partnership. If you are looking for business partnership, then this is a very good time for you, which is a fourth week of Feb. Okay. Now Feb is a very small month, so you take it as it resonates, whatever will be the fourth week of Feb. So yes, I feel Virgo, February month is going to be very fruitful for you when it comes to your work and your money. I see stability in this month. Okay, so let's see what we have in your relationship area. Nothing more to be said about Virgo. Okay, and let me tell you, please comment whether you want me to keep the relationship reading on with the monthly reading. Okay, please comment. So let's see what we have in your relationship area this month. First, I'm going to check the general energy. Okay, wow, that's for single people and people who are already having somebody in their life. Okay, so let's talk about the general energy of this month. The general energy of this month is to rely on yourself. I have the capability to take things forward in my life. I have the capability to fly. I have the capability to, be on my own and make things happen. This is what it is in Feb for you, Virgos. So, people who are single, they are planning to move away from all the toxicity, but they're not ready to reach out to anybody and ask for help, that help me move on, or help me in doing. Like I said, the general energy is that you're independent and you're on your own. Here you are coming out of isolation and you are trying to seek the truth about life. Probably some of you are getting into the spiritual side and saying, I want to know what the universe means. I want to know what is the truth. Why, what is my existence? Why am I here? All that you're coming. And all this you were seeking up till now. And if you were feeling very lonely inside of you, this is for single people, heart of heart. Now probably you have the answers and you are coming out of that loneliness, that secludedness, or probably you, even if you were in a crowd, you were feeling very lonely inside of you. Okay, you are coming out of that and you're confronting yourself and a lot of people around you which you thought you wouldn't. You're healing. Wow. You're still not yet, you're healing, but you're also yet not completely out of the control of that controlling energy that was next to you. That could be your own thoughts, that could be your own toxic past, or that could be a person. Yes, but definitely something positive is showing up. There is a lot of blooming of positive energy next to you, but you're still not attracting a partner, you're not taking a step towards a partner. So you're still single, but at the same time, you're healing and moving forward. Now, people who are married and in a relationship, live in, girlfriend, boyfriend, any kind of situation you can think of with a partner, they are ready, not yet ready to fight. In the past, probably there was a lot of conflict, argument. Right now, they are not ready to actually think what they are fighting for. They are not choosing their battle. They're still very confused and their heart is totally blocked. Throat chakra. I feel throat chakra is good, but that only comes to their benefit. It's like in a relationship, you're only looking for stability of money, stability of materialistic outer things. Heart of heart, I feel, Virgos, you still need to heal in a relationship. You have still not opened your heart and said, probably there's a lot of inner child issue in the childhood. You must have not gotten attention, or maybe the past relationship did not serve you well. It was a horrible one, or whatever you've had in your life, toxicity. I feel still you have not opened your heart to tell your partner, yes, I am ready to actually emotionally connect with you or make this intimacy between us better, because you're still confused. You're still looking as if, is he the one or should I go for someone else? Is she the one or should I go for someone else? Or maybe this relationship is going to be like this only. Let's only be together because everything else falls into place. So in the month of Feb, I feel that you will get an insight yourself. I think your intuition is going to get sharpened and you're going to get a insight yourself that probably this is the relationship that I've been in since a long time, or even if for a short time, and I really need to be here only. I don't need to move on. In fact, that clarity will come. Yes, clarity card. Exactly that. The clarity card came. Exactly that. So, yes, you will open your heart. You will have more clarity about your relationship in the month of February. Okay. So, let's see what universal message we have for you. Right. Pull yourself close. Every part of you is being deserving of love. Yes, like I said, there's a lot of toxicity of your past which is projecting in your relationship. Probably money is fine, but money can be even better if you are really working on your inner child issues, on something that made you feel unloved, uncared, maybe your surrounding, your childhood, or your experiences. Work on yourself and see how the universe gives you everything that you deserve. Okay, and don't forget to press the bell icon, get notified when my video comes, and subscribe to my channel and share it with your family and friends. And that's all for today. Please follow me everywhere on X, on Instagram, on Facebook. And goodbye. God bless. Hari Om Tat Sat.